What's up, YouTube? Just gonna give you a quick garden update. I know it's been a little while, but here we go. So I got a few things going on. Got quite a bit growing, but oh my God. Rufus, I thought I told you. Get out of here. It's been a while, so it's just been a busy time, but now I'm back. I'm kind of just, the bees are after me. Ooh, I'm gonna do a quick hive inspection, but they are busy this morning. Woo. He just hit my phone. He was not happy with that. Okay. So now that the hive inspection's done, kind of go over a few things here. One of the tomato plants is doing extremely well. It doesn't have any of the blight. However, the other three looking pretty sad. All right, I'm gonna come around here. So what's really taken off is my sweet potatoes. Insane growth, growing like crazy. So that's exciting. They're growing extremely well. Coming over here, my peppers are doing pretty good. I got a couple big, I think these are banana peppers. I thought they were sweet peppers, or sweet bell peppers, but we'll see. So everything seems to be doing good. Carrots are still growing. They're a little bit burnt because it's been extra hot and humid. But man, my turmeric is taking off. I might actually have to transplant that into something bigger. Potatoes are doing okay. They're not doing the best. And then got a couple eggplant here. They're hanging in there, they're doing okay. So it's got so much growth now that it's actually kind of hard to get in there. My yucca is taking over everything. This is literally the one plant that just grows like weeds here in Florida. So I'll do some harvesting here and get some yucca root, which is pretty delicious if you cook it right. All right, my bananas are doing okay. Still actually growing and filling out a little bit. Should be harvesting these in the next, I don't know, month or so. Got quite a few there. It is toasty warm out here today. All right, so I threw a net over this because the birds were getting to it. I don't know if you could see the fruit in there. Probably not. That's not a very good shot. Oh, here's a fruit right here, but it's really not showing much of any of the markings that the birds just tear it up. Here we go. There's one of the fruit. So that's what the birds do. They just tear up the fruit, mess it all up, but it's growing pretty good. All right, moving on. Not much to go here. I think overall everything seems to be growing really well. We've had a lot of rain recently. Here's my air layer that we did with Tin Can Gardener, so I'll be checking that here in another couple weeks. One thing we added to the patio, more for the kids than anything, is a butterfly garden. So we picked up a couple plants. There's one there. And we got, I can't remember the name of that one, but this is a few different types of milkweed. As actually you can see, we got, whoop, yep, monarch butterfly caterpillars. So that's pretty fun. So the kids have been pretty excited about that. Another one full of milkweed. We had a good 10-15 caterpillars, but they are moving on. So as you can see right here, there's actually one of those. Oh, let's see if it'll focus. There we go. So that's one of the monarch butterflies. Hopefully we'll see that thing hatch here in a little bit. So we got more. We got some hummingbird plants as well. And that's about it. Catch you guys later.